compact, really nice little smart camera with tilt and pan. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so we can do an install and check it all out. We're going to open it up here first and take a look. We've got a mounting bracket for either wall or ceiling. We got instruction manual, which I need to go take a look at. And then here's the camera. Wow, that is awesome. Nice little compact, so I can hang it like that, either from the ceiling or on the wall, which I like the looks of that. I can put these up if needed. Looks like it's got pan and tilt. So, other things in the box, looks like a power cord, and then there's just a little waterproof, looks like USB-C connector. So, we'll be good to go. I looked at the instructions, and it's very similar to other cameras. I need to get the Cloud Edge application installed on my phone, and you can install it for all 3 type phones. Just scan this, the app will download, and then I'll plug it in inside here, and I will connect my app to the Wi-Fi. And once that gets connected, the app, then I'm going to scan the QR code on the back of this camera, and that will have the application connect to the camera. I'll get that all set up, test it in here. I can go in with family members and share the camera by having me put their name into the account and then have them scan a code from my phone. It's pretty simple setup. So we're gonna work on all of that. Other than that, this looks like a nice little camera, gonna be nice and compact. I'm gonna go put it outside on the eaves. Alright, well, I got this out, and I've got just a little USB plug. I've got quite a bit of wire, and then a weatherproof, what looks like USB-C connector. So I'll slide that together, and then just tighten up a little connector like that. Alright, I went out, got it installed right outside the window, right by my front door. One note, the screws that came with it were a little bit too small, so I went out and got some sheetrock screws in order to screw it into the eaves where I wanted to put it. The instructions on it are pretty good. I need to get a micro SD card up to 128 gig and put in it. I don't think I'm going to buy the cloud services for this one. I think I'll just record and have playback on the SD card. But other than that, slick little camera, works good. Alright, so far this is a nice little camera. I'm impressed with it. It's got good view, full motion of my front area around the house, and I'm excited. Alright, well, here I got it installed. It's right here, nice up underneath my eaves, out of the rain. It's raining today, of course, and I got it working. I got it scanned, I got it connected to Wi-Fi, and it's working great. Alright, well, it was probably easier to do this while it was on the ground, but I've got my SD card, a micro, and I'm going to put it in here. It's only a 32 gig, but that'll be fine.